What's going on? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com.
What's up, guys? We have a question from Trevor about painting his project. He's like, Tony, I'm trying to figure out how to start prepping for my car. My bodywork and paint doesn't have much clear over it. I'm just wondering what to start with. Well, Trevor, I'm going to open up your world and make it blossom and shine with clarity. So here's what I'm going to tell you to do, okay? Of course, I can tell you to go to YouTube and just Google it, and you're just going to find 100 random videos on how to paint a car. Okay, mine's probably going to be one of the first top ones you see. But listen, I urge you, the first thing you should do, okay, is click below this video if you are on YouTube watching this right now. Anybody who is interested in learning how to paint a car, click below here if you're on computer, okay, desktop, and get this guide. Download this guide. If you're on mobile right now, go up here, click the top right. Thing's going to drop down. You're going to be able to get that free guide. You're going to go to a page that looks like this. Okay, put your email in, get it. It's an interactive guide that, in a section we're talking about, sanding. It's going to take you to a video with sanding. We're going to be talking about masking. It'll take you to a video on masking. Okay, it's interactive. We just redid it. Took my girl and I 3 weeks to revamp the book. It's an easy $40 value book. You're going to get it for free today just by going there and downloading the guide. Okay, so it's tons of content in there. It'll tell you exactly step by step. And after you get the guide, I'm going to hit you up with a special offer to check out the VIP program. What's the VIP program? Well, the VIP program is a program that's been helping people since way back in 2010 learn auto, body, and paint from home. And this is the program here. There's over 10,000 VIP members across the world. Here are some of our students, their submitted projects, jobs they've completed, and we have hundreds of these. I just can't load this page with that many images. It'll make the site slow down. So we limited it to about, I think, 50 or 60 photos in here, but we have hundreds on top of hundreds of successful students going through the VIP course at Learn Auto Body VIP and just completing amazing body jobs. Okay, there's a private Facebook group where you can share your story, get inspired, and post pictures and talk to the community. There's thousands of people in there. Okay, private forum, and you get access to me as well. So I urge you to check out VIP. It's one of the most it's the only comprehensive auto body course online. There's nothing like it. There's nothing like it out there right now. Okay, and I don't think there ever is going to be anything like it because we keep adding to it. We keep growing it. The community keeps getting bigger. And you're going to love it. And for the price you pay is literally, it's just ridiculous. I'm letting it go, guys. I'm really letting it go nowadays. I don't make money on this. The site just basically pays for itself to pay my web team, my developers, and everybody to keep everything going in the back end. But anyway, check out this page. You're going to see all the courses, over 150 hours of step-by-step videos you're going to get access to. And you're going to be able to start right now. All right, it's Tony here, guys. If you don't know my story yet, just go to the About page at LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. You'll learn more about me, how I've been doing this for 20 years. Over 20 years now. I painted my first car, motorcycle. I was 13 years old. Painted my first bike. Painted my first car at 15 years old. I'm in my mid-30s now. I've been doing this a long, long time. And, our programs and courses are even featured and used in correctional facilities in New York and New Mexico. They are using our program. Our VIP course is used in Austin ISD, guys, in the high school in Austin. They're using our program to teach their high school students auto, body, and paint. So this is not a scam. It's not BS. There's hundreds of hours of invested time to create a program, a comprehensive program like this, because I'm a car nut. I love this stuff, and I want to give back and share with everybody in the world who wants to know how to do this, to inspire them to get started, to not be afraid, to take their project to the next level, to complete their project on a budget, you know, and gain new skill set. Do it yourself, you know. Inspire others. Inspire yourself, you know, and wow your friends and family in the process. These are all the testimonials. We have hundreds of testimonials, and that's pretty much it. All right, this is an old version of the site. We're redoing it right now. It's going to be even crazier when we relaunch the new version. So if you're watching this video and it looks different, just remember this is an old version of the website. I'll talk to you soon. If you're on YouTube watching this, again, click the top right here if you want to get that free auto body guide if you're on mobile. Down below here if you're on a desktop, and I will talk to you soon, man. Hasta la vista. Peace out. Bye.